So it's currently like 4 or 5 in the morning. I got all my stuff packed up. I'm about to head to Maryland to go get my hair braided. I already talked to the lady yesterday. She told me I can come at 6. I'm gonna be a little bit behind, but we're gonna get there. So I wanna go ahead and get on the road before traffic gets crazy because it's still dark outside. So I'll update you guys when I get there. Let's go. All right, y'all, so I just finished stopping at the gas station because I really need the gas really bad. I was trying gas yesterday, but we're still on a good track. I think I'm gonna get there before 7, which is still good because they open at 6, and the process should only take 2 to 3 hours. So I'm hoping that they can get me in and out. If not, I guess I'll just find something to do it myself until it's time for me to go to work, which is low-key insane because I don't work until 11. But let's just get our day started. Let's go before we late. All right, y'all, so we just got here. I'm about to park. All right, y'all, so we just made it here. I don't know why I'm a little nervous. What the fuck am I nervous for? I don't know. I guess I'm anxious because I haven't got my hair done in so long, y'all. Like, and I'm very picky about like how I like to get my hair done, but I've seen her work and I really like her work. So I already know it's gonna be good. It's just been a while. Like, it's literally been like, I want to say at least 10 years. It's been a while. Maybe 7 years, something like that. But yeah, it's been a while. Let's take my money in because I don't want to have to be that client that got to go out to the car to get their money, you know? You don't want to be that girl. Let's put it in the back of my purse. I got my headphones. I really don't need no snacks. I'm kind of good. Drink a little bit more coffee. I brought hair too. I don't know if she needed, but I brought hair. Why not? Y'all, I just tried mushroom coffee for the first time. Bomb.com. Bomb.com. Alright, so got my chapstick. I brought my satchel. My phone is fully charged. Okay, so I guess next time I see you guys, I'm gonna have my hair braided. I can't wait to show y'all. I literally just finished up with my hair, but I am 10 minutes late to work, so I'm gonna have to show you guys what it fully looks like later because I gotta go. All right, y'all, so I'm literally on my way to work. I was supposed to be at work at like 11:30. I'm literally just leaving the shop at 11. No, it's not 11. It is 11. 11:45 actually. So I'm not gonna get to work till about 12 o'clock, literally on the dot, and I still have to change my clothes, but at least at 12 o'clock I can clock in. So what I'm gonna do is when I get there, I'm gonna just grab my stuff real quick, run in, clock in, start my wax spot, and then I'm gonna go change my clothes. My first client isn't until like 1 o'clock, so I'm good on time, so at least no clients will be waiting on me. I'm just gonna be late for work, and that's just gonna mess up my hours, but it is what it is. I really can't do anything about it. Yeah, I'm just happy to get there in one piece, and I kind of got somewhat everything done. My car is starting to make a weird noise though, so I definitely gotta lock in with this oil change. I guess I'm gonna try to have to do that maybe tomorrow. I could try to do it before work because I think the oil change place opens at 7 if I'm not mistaken, but I don't know.
In 2 miles, take exit 8 onto Shady Grove Road.
I need to be there by 9:30, so maybe I'll just do it Saturday. Wake up early Saturday morning, start back with the gym, go get my oil change. I need to go get my stuff out of the pawn shops. I'm not paying the pawn shops this month, and then pay my rent, and that's it. And then I have a hair client Saturday, so that'll be good too, because then I'll be bringing in some more money. And yeah, that's pretty much it for my Saturday, and meal prep. But I think I'm gonna just meal prep something like cheap and easy, because I'm already cutting it tight with my finances right now, with getting my hair done and getting my stuff out the pawn shop and paying 2 rents all in 1 week. So yeah, we're gonna chew on that one for a little bit. But I'm almost to work, should be there in like 5 minutes or less. Whew. Hopefully my manager not there, because I really hate being late, and I'm not even a late person. It just happened to be a chaotic day. And another thing too is, like, driving here is so much traffic, honestly, that like a lot of times I'll leave and I'll
Stay in the 3rd lane from right.
It's an hour to get to work, but I usually leave an hour and a half just to be safe. And sometimes I still be late because it just be so much fucking traffic. So I don't know. All we can do is try to do better moving forward and get there. So that's what we're gonna do, get there. Yeah, so I just got into work. Luckily, everything was fine. Everything was fine. Anyways, so now I can really reveal to y'all the hair. This is so tea, like, they're still tight as shit, but the tea. I love them, y'all. I feel vacation ready, honestly. Cute. But of course I have to do my makeup to see how much I really like them. So I'm about to just fill in my brows or something real quick. Like, look how clean those parts are. I'm gonna do my edges too. Should we do half up, half down, or they're kind of tight, to be honest. I kind of want to leave them the way they are. Look at that. These I'm definitely going back, and I'm definitely gonna keep my hair braided, because this was only $200. I tipped her $220 because I would have tipped her more. I wanted to give her like $250, but I literally don't even have the $200 to be sparing. So I gave her the $20. And I'm just gonna have a cheaper lunch today. But like, these came out so cute. These are so tea, like, y'all, like, they ate so bad with these braids. It's not even funny. Like, look at my parts, so clean. Like, and I could do like a cute little, hold on, do it too much. I could do like a cute little flip over vibe. So cute, so tea. Wait till I do my makeup, bitch. Be so cute. I love these braids though. I love them, love them, love them. All right, y'all, so it's 1:45. I'm on lunch right now for the next 30 minutes. I didn't bring lunch today because y'all know I usually meal prep. So I'm gonna actually have to go out and buy lunch today. So I'm gonna check at some of these places and see what they have. And if I don't see anything, I'll probably just get pizza. I don't really wanna do pizza because I've been trying to eat healthy, and we've been doing really good at eating healthy. Actually, scratch that. I'm just gonna get Chipotle. It's cheap and it's predictable, so we'll just get Chipotle. Keep it simple and stay within our dietary restrictions, because we need to be slim this summer. I have to get ready for this concert. Concert is in literally, what, 3 months? 3 months of consistency and staying locked in. Body gonna be tea. Body already tea, to be honest. I already started to see results, so it's only up from here. All right, y'all, so I'm eating my lunch. I ended up getting Chipotle. It was literally only $10, so that was not bad. I think I have like 25 minutes until the end of my break. So I'm just enjoying the good weather. I cannot believe how cute my hair came out. It's so worth the money, y'all. $200 for this was well beyond worth it. Yeah, so I'm about to go to bed. I just got home from work. It's literally 9:54, y'all, and I'm just walking through the door. That's crazy. I've literally been out the house since like 4. My scalp is itching already a little bit. I'm trying not to scratch. I just took my ponytail down. These braids are super tight. I haven't had braids in so long. They're so tight. I think when I sleep, I'm just gonna sleep on them like this. Not too much, because they're super, super tender. I thought I'm gonna put them up. Oh no. They're gonna have to stay down. I think maybe don't know. I'm trying to think how I should sleep on these. Ooh. Oh my god. So I'm gonna loop it, but I'm gonna loop it once. That's not too much. Shit, no joke, man. I'm trying to wait until I get my